Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be a bit of a nostalgia trip for me. I have been taking photographs for over 40 years now. I started off as 16-year-old, I'm now 57. I started off taking photographs for a local newspaper using cameras that look something like this bad boy. It is extremely heavy, extremely powerful flash. This was my normal kind of kit, everyday bit of stuff that I used. I then graduated to Hasselblad cameras, but I've still got this. This produced an awful lot of good work for me, along with a lens or two. This has actually got 105mm lens pair on it, which is superb. Some of the portraits I took with it, I'm going to put in the video right now. But there's one thing you'll notice. Nothing is absolutely pin sharp. Lenses these days have a tendency to be overly sharp in my eyes, especially portraits. This, I had a set of filters for that put on here on a Canon filter system. And I used a really bizarre method. I had Hasselblad Softar 2 filter, which sat in the Canon filter kit with blue tack. Now, the next couple of days, I'm actually going to be shooting with the DSLR, with the kit lens. Now, because the DSLR is an APS-C, it's a crop factor of 1.6. This is an 18 to 55mm EFS lens. So I'll be getting around about 86mm on equivalent on 35mm, which is very similar to the 105mm. But I'm not going to shoot straight. That sounds bad. I'm not going to shoot with nothing between the lens and the subject. I'm going to be using, believe it or not, and I found them, Softar filters. What a bargain. I have Hasselblad originally had 3 different filters at the 50mm size. Then they increased the size of the lens for the filter size to have it as a 60mm. Now I have now got a complete set of 3 Hasselblad Softars, a 1, a 2 and a 3. However, they don't go straight on the lens. They will just fall straight out. I don't want that to happen when I'm taking photographs. And in order for me to do something about that, I have decided, an old trick of mine, which I used on the original set, was, you can possibly see that. You see the blue tack? This is the Softar 1 at a B60. I paid £20 sterling, British pounds for this. Originally it would have cost about 150 to 160 pounds. The way that I'm going to keep this, you can probably see the blue tack on there, is just push it straight in there, and that is now solid. I'm going to have, possibly see, just squeezing out the back. I'm going to shoot a number of photographs with the Softar 1, the Softar 2, and the Softar 3. I will be putting up a comparison, so I'll take photographs without the Softar completely. I'll have the camera on the tripod. It'll be wide open as much as I can, 100 ISO on the camera as well. It might have to be in some shade, and I'll try to get it with using aperture priority as sensible with this lens at the longest telephoto range to almost replicate the kind of photographs that you've seen earlier. I'll also try a couple of shots with the lens on the wide angle setting. Now this is an 18mm, I don't think that'll work. I will probably also try it on the 28mm, which is my normal go-to lens in this situation. It's the 28mm f1.8 Canon EF lens, which I find is brilliant for this kind of talking to camera shot. But it will, I'm hoping, replicate the shots that I've taken with this in the past. Let's just wait and see. Okay doke, so this is possibly emulating what I'm trying to do tomorrow night. I'm on 500th of a second at f2 on video. This is the clean lens with the 28mm f1.8. I'm going to change lens now, roll it into the 55mm end, see how it goes. Okay guys, so this is the kit lens at the 55mm end. It's got nothing on it, it is bare naked. So hopefully you can see all this ugliness as it can. It's at 5.6. Which I think is the minimum or maximum aperture at 55mm. Yes, I am windswept, interesting and ugly as sin. Hey, whatever. Let's see what it looks like with the Softar 1 on. I'm hoping this is a bit gentler look on my face. It's getting rid of the wrinkles. I've got a few. We're outside in shade. I've got a lot of wind going on. Yes, beard is here. Let's see how that looks. This is the Softar 2. I'm hoping the autofocus is picking me up properly. Not sure yet, but it's, I hope so. Again, just in some really nice soft light. It is outside, it is windy. Let's see how this feels. So I think this camera might struggle right now for autofocus. This is Softar 3. I might even look pretty. No wrinkles, no nothing, just never know.